In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to step-by-step create an Amazon Seller Central account. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, setting up your own seller account on Amazon can open doors to a vast audience and countless opportunities. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Amazon Seller Central homepage. This is your gateway to the platform where you'll manage your seller account, so it's crucial to be familiar with this page. Here, you'll find a host of resources, but for now, we're focusing on creating your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up button, which is usually prominently displayed. Click it to begin your registration process. This action will take you to a new window where you can start creating your Amazon account. Before proceeding, make sure you're visiting the correct site to protect your security and privacy. Next, click on Create Your Amazon Account. This step is crucial as it officially begins your journey towards becoming an Amazon seller. You'll now be prompted to fill in your details. Enter the required information meticulously to avoid any mishaps later on. Pay attention to fields such as your business name, address, and a working email account because you'll interact with Amazon and your customers via these details. The registration page will ask you for identifying information that confirms your business's legitimacy. You might encounter multiple sections or fields as this is Amazon ensuring you meet their selling requirements. Each detail you provide is part of building a reputable profile, so be thorough and accurate. Now, as you fill in your details, remember that consistency is key. Double check all the information you provide, from your business address to contact details. Any discrepancies might delay the verification process or cause issues later. Keep your business documents handy. Sometimes Amazon might request further proof to authenticate your business identity. After ensuring all fields are accurately filled, click the Next button to proceed. At this stage, Amazon may send a verification email to the address you registered. Keep an eye on your inbox and make sure to check your spam or junk folder in case it lands there. The verification is a simple yet vital step to confirm your account. And there you have it. You've taken all the necessary steps to create your Amazon Seller Central account. Now, with your account set up, you're ready to list your products, reach customers, and start selling. Keep exploring the platform's resources to optimize your store's potential. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide if you need a refresher. Wishing you immense success on your Amazon selling journey.